Good morning, fellow manufacturers on Vancouver Island. My name is John Jurisic, and I thought that I would personalize my message to you with regard to our labor market project. I am down here by Sydney by the Sea, maybe one of the most gorgeous places on Vancouver Island. Anyway, a little bit of context before I get into my ask. So I've been involved with learning and training since the mid-90s. On the process side, I've helped with creating technology solutions. I have helped with implementing learning plans. I have helped with implementing return on investment processes on your training. I was a partner in a large learning company for most of the 2000s and have been a business consulting for learning and training since 2011. Primarily my business is to use learning and training to help private sector companies improve efficiency and productivity. I help governments do that by introducing programs to the private sector on learning and training. So in 2014 and 15, I was directly involved with the Canada-BC Job Grant. I was responsible, myself and my partners were responsible for Vancouver Island and for manufacturers. I spoke to somewhere around 50 or 60 manufacturers, and we placed a considerable amount of training monies with Canada-BC Job Grant. Out of that experience, we heard a lot around learning and training issues from island manufacturers. Issues like lack of soft skills training, and as well as immigration-related issues, etc. So we approached jobs, tourism, skills, trades, and the labor market group, and were interested in seeing if we could help solve these problems. And therefore, the birth of the labor market project, to which I've been sending you survey emails on a pretty regular basis. Well, as you can see, I have changed my location. I'm actually now in the heartland of what they call Keating Crossroad, part of the heartland of the Peninsula Manufacturing District. So back to the survey. Yes, the survey is part of a multiple-pronged approach to gather information from Vancouver Island manufacturers. We are having face-to-face interviews. We have been accessing government data and research document tools and documentation, as well as a survey. And so the survey allows us to align with existing information about manufacturing labor market issues from government, from industry, etc. But nothing has really been tailored to Vancouver Island. So that is our hope, to represent labor market issues for the manufacturing sector on Vancouver Island. And a key piece of that is having a majority of Vancouver Island manufacturers complete the survey. So from both Sydney by the Sea, from both Keating Crossroad, from Lower Vancouver Island. I hope I've personalized my message and encourage you to complete the form, to complete the survey. We will be talking again soon, I'm sure.